In this video, we will cover how to add a field note marker onto the run screen of the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct grower and growing season. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration from the list. Press the green check mark. Press the Run Screen button found in the bottom left of the screen. Drive the vehicle to where you wish to drop the field marker. Once the spot has been reached, press the Map Options button. Press the View Map Markers button. Select the correct marker for which you want to drop. This will have just dropped the marker. To view the marker, go back to the Run screen. Drive away from the spot that you just dropped the marker at. And as you can see, the marker that I just placed is now visible on the map. We have now covered how to add a field note marker onto the run screen of the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.